Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can mirror your Android device onto a Windows 10 laptop or PC. For this I'll be using a Connect app that you can find in your search, and I found that couple of them are not having this Connect app pre-built inside the Windows 10. Let me show you how you can get it if it is not present. We navigate to our Windows setting, under that apps, and go to the under apps. You can see optional features. Once you click that, it will list out all the optional features that are pre-built. You can see that install features that are already present. You will need to search for wireless. As you can see, it's not currently been installed into mine. I'll add that feature by clicking the add a feature. Here, search for wireless display. And once you search that, you will find a file appears to be a 2 MB file. I'll install it. See, once you install it, this Connect app will be appearing under your search. Once it's installed, I'll move on to the Connect app. This is how Connect app is. I'll move on to my Android device. Click on screen sharing option. Once that's up, it will recognize what is the nearby device that is available for me to share my Android device to. For some of you, it won't be under the screen sharing option, or the naming convention will be something else. For that, you have to go under settings and search for Smart View for Samsung, wireless display for Xiaomi devices. Once you have the settings turned on, you can mirror the Android device onto your Connect app. And now in the Connect app, it will prompt you to enter the pin that's shown on the screen onto your Android device. Once you enter the pin, the pairing will be complete. Now let me show you how it works for a PDF. I've opened a PDF in a portrait mode. Once I turn my device into landscape mode, the mirrored screen will be also in landscape mode. It's extremely useful when you're presenting. Let me also open a YouTube video. The video audio will be coming through the mirrored device, that is your laptop or PC, rather than your Android device. I tried gaming as well. I was successfully able to mirror my PUBG game onto my laptop. Now, if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this. Thank you. Have a nice day.